Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the Journey YouTube channel. This is I the Great again. Welcome back. This morning now we are actually talk about the ocean, the water element of the earth being a total different dimension, a total different realm. You get what I say? And alright, so the four elements of the earth, the four elements for them, the four major elements that them identify are solid, liquid, gas, and flame. So you have earth, water, air, and plasma, which is flame. You get what I say? Which is fire. Alright. So you find that each of those states of matter exists at a different frequency, a different vibrational frequency, which makes the particles organize differently, and so the thing manifests differently, right? Because of the way the particles them space out and all them shit there. You get what I say? I don't want to get too scientific in anything, aside. Yeah, but each of the elements them vary based upon wavelength and density. That's it. That's all that separates them. The density of the fucking object. Yeah, that's it. So you find the earth are the densest element. And then you have water. Then you have air. And then you have fire, which is the least dense of the four elements that we work with. Now in this physical realm you find the water. Me I call it 90% of the earth of water, because of that me see. 90% of the earth of water. They have different statistics. They say maybe almost 75 or some shit like that. But I say 90. You get what I say? I believe that 90% of the water of the earth of water. Because 90% of life is spiritual. If the water is the spiritual aspect of the fucking of this realm, it means the water must reflect the 90% too, that is spiritual. You get what I say? So 90% water. Anyways, the water is a total different realm from the surface of we live in. We're breathing fresh air, we're breathing air, so this is our primary source of energy. Getting air, oxygenated, breathable air, because of the oxygen alone keep you alive. A whole heap of other things in the air too. Yeah, so our source of energy is breathing in fresh air. Primary organ is the lung. Now you find in the water, which is a different realm. The beings in the water, for them primary source of energy is through them is water, is the water itself. That's what pass through them gills and through them system, and that keep them going, the water. It's a total different realm. That's why you can't really breathe in the water. You get what I say? Same like outer space, you can't breathe outer space either because the radiation different. Certain things out there different, So the same thing within the water. The water is a total different realm. You get what I say? And it's there, it's proof. Go on in there, go breathe and see what happens to you. You're gonna die. You're gonna take in water, your lungs are gonna fill up and you're gonna dead. It's a total different realm. It's a higher vibrational realm than the solid earth. The beings in the water. The beings in the water are actually higher vibrational beings than the beings inside of the earth. Because you actually have beings that are inside of the earth. You get what I say? So those are the most dense beings. And then you have beings that are in the water too. You have humanoid beings that are in the water too. But it's just that them have technology too. Them can disappear, them can do a lot of things. A lot of the ancient civilizations them find underwater. I don't hurt them the depend. They were built under the water. And they are beings. Mermaids are not joke something. Them real, and a lot of aquatic mammals they both too. It's not just we. But that's me I say now about the water being a different realm. Yeah man, you find a lot of things that go under the water way different, and them only explore 5% of the ocean. You get what I say? Just 5% alone. And scientists claim to them do more research out of space than even upon this fucking planet. I mean, I understand how you want to go outer space if you not even understand the ocean of this planet. The ocean is a total different realm, which is why them can't go certain places in there. Them can only reach a certain depth. After a certain depth, they realize that the submarine is not going no more. Them not have no technology to go so deep. Because maybe if they go deep enough, them buck up on a different realm. The other day, I watch some marine biologists, and them actually discover, while in a submarine down there, they discovered a whole different realm. The guy say him could literally see a beach inside of the ocean. When he says see the beach, he must say, wait, but we're already underwater. So how the freak me I see him say must see a whole dome, a whole reality did it. And it literally repel them. So when them go too close, the electromagnetic field of the realm I push them off. So they realize it's a whole different realm under there. So you have realms within realm. Realms within a realm, realms within realms. You get what I mean? I say this whole place, brother, Earth is a multi-dimensional plane. You know, a lot of things there we can't really see and we can't really grasp, because the electromagnetic field, you know, if you understand, the human eyes only see what 0.03%, 0.003% of the electromagnetic field. Yeah, that's a portion that is visible to the human eyes, you know. So sometimes the animal them are hear way more than we, and I perceive way more than we. You know, we can't really perceive that much because we get shut off over time from certain things. But as you unlock more percentage of the brain, you start to perceive other things, you know. Your senses start to get heightened. You know, but this takes time, you get what I say? The human body immortal anyways, all we have is time. We can't run out of time, you know. So yeah, that is the video about the water is a total different realm. And yeah, that's why them say the octopus, the scientists say them think the octopus is a whole alien creature, you know. And they know, the Navy knows about a lot of these beings too in the water, you know, where them not tell the general public. Because, you know, if you tell the general public certain things, they're going to ask questions and they really don't want to tell you certain things. You get what I say? Yeah, man, so big up the Journey YouTube channel, and that's why seafood is better. It's better to eat than even a lot of land vegetables. Seafood is better to eat than a lot of land vegetables, believe it or not. And the seawater too, don't make nobody tell us that the oceans are polluted. Salt water is a cleanser. So the fact that salt in the ocean means it cleanse everything naturally. You get what I say? It cleanse itself. It deal itself. It's a whole live organism. It's a whole live realm. You get what I say? It recycle water. It do its own thing. It not keep rubbish either. So you find, say, if you throw something in the ocean, it's gonna eventually push it out of itself. You know? It not keep contaminants. It rids itself of contaminants. You know? So yeah, man, that's about the oceans and the lakes and all of that. Water is a total different realm, you know, it's a different frequency. That's why we can't go in there and do as we want, you know. That's why the beings that are off the water can't come out here come do as them like either. You know, you have some of them like catfish and some other ones who over time develop adaptation for like breathing air and some little something. But yeah, overall, all in all, water is a total shit.